Hello everyone, it's Anzu and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with an anime style makeup which was inspired from douxfairy's anime tier makeup look on Instagram. I fell in love with this look and she kindly gave permission for me to do it for a video, so I gave it a shot and I hope you'll enjoy it. Also, she's super creative, pretty and has amazing content, so make sure to follow her on Instagram and YouTube. With that said, let's start our makeup. First of all, the lenses I used in this video are called Sweetie Devil Blue 2 lenses and they're from Unixo. I will link them in the description below and you can use the code anzujaamu for a discount. For the first step of the skin, I'm gonna start with Nip Plus Fab's Glycolic Fix Daily Cleansing Pads and just cleanse my skin. And to moisturize my skin, I used Smart Hydra Shot Stick from Kiko Milano. And to be honest, I would not recommend this product because halfway through it fell onto my lap and ruined everything. Also, I realized it has just so little product in it. And as a base, I'm using the Professional Primer from Benefit. This is a really great product. It actually fills in really little wrinkles as well and just overall smoothens your makeup. I usually apply it around my eye area because I have small wrinkles there. And then to tame my crusty lips, I'm gonna need two products. The Honey Lip Scrub Pot from Semmu, I think that's how it's read, I hope I'm right. And the Honey Milk Lip Balm from Apia. With the pot product, I'm exfoliating the lips and then I'll apply the lip balm. And as for my foundation, finally, I'm using Bobbi Brown's Intensive Skin Serum Foundation, which also has sunscreen in it. And I miss this product a lot because I completely forgot about its existence when it was sitting in another room. Overall, it is a great product if you have dry skin, and it doesn't cake up on the face at all because it's kind of like, like watery product, but it still covers pretty well. And the concealer is my usual Conceal and Hydrate concealer from Revolution. I'm just applying it in places I wanna brighten up. And now I'm setting everything with a translucent powder from VDL, and this smells amazing. I keep saying this every time, but that's why I keep going back to this product. Now we hop onto the eyes, and I'll be using the Venus X Large palette from Lime Crime. I will start with two shades, the Blank Canvas as the base, and then Scallop to go in from outer corner. I can't talk. And this is me halfway through realizing the shades I went for are actually a bit too orange for this look, so I go back to the palette and I select the Passion and Goddess shades, which are more pinkish. This time I actually went in with the pink shade all the way in from the bottom part of the eye because this girl is supposed to be crying. And for the eyeliner, I'm using Epic Ink Liner from NYX. I really love this eyeliner, but some of the products tend to kind of, I don't know how do you say it, leak over time. It kind of made this eyeline part a bit hard for me. And for the eyelashes, I'm using Too Faced's I can't talk, Better Than Sex mascara. You got it. And this time I used some pointy eyelashes. I actually used to use this kind of lashes a few years back, but now I just use fluffy ones. I actually miss these. Maybe I should go back. And now to brighten up the eyes, I'm gonna be using two products because one of them let me down today. The Absolute New York brand let me down today. I used it first. I thought I would only use it, but it became very patchy under the eye this time. So I went over it with Missha's eye glitter, which did not let me down, by the way. I went over the bottom part of the eye again to kind of apply shadow over the glitter, and then I got a white eye pencil and just filled in the waterline of the eyes, and you kind of look crazy doing that. It happens, it's for a greater purpose. And now for the blush, I'm using NYX's Sweet Cheeks palette, and I got this light pink shade from there. I started to apply from the outer part of the cheeks to the inside, but overall I applied it on the under eye area and on the nose as well. I actually focused the color on the middle part of the nose because we'll be drawing some lines there. And of course I applied it on the chin as well because I just can't stop with the blush. Now for the highlighter, I'm gonna be using I Heart Revolution's Starstruck highlighter, and as you can see I have eyeliner everywhere. So I'm applying this onto my nose, onto the bridge of the nose, if that's what you call it, above my lips and on my chin. I also applied it onto the inner corner of my eyes with my finger, which caused it to get to the under eye area, which is a crime. Then I switched to a white eyeliner and I kind of followed the waterline I did earlier and drew a small wing outwards from the bottom part of the eye. And then the suffering begins, because if I did a mistake here, everything was over, man. I didn't reference to Lily's makeup for this one, so it ended up looking a little bit different. It's just pure suffering. And one thing I gotta apologize to you guys is my mirror. I put this on top of the powder without closing the lid, so it got dirty and it took me so long to notice it. I'm sorry guys, literally no excuse. I don't know what exactly I want from the inner corner of my eyes, but I applied this white eyeliner there as well. I used the white liner on the bottom lashes as well to blend it with the waterline to kind of make it look as if the eyes are filled with tears. And using the red eyeliner from NYX, I started to draw the blush lines. It's a little bit hard because, I don't know, like on my nose they kind of started to look like they were spiraling, and I managed to fix it, thank God, but it scared me for a second. Then I went back to the blush palette and I picked this darker shade this time. I applied it over the blush lines to kind of blend them together and concentrate the color there. I also applied it onto my nose and on my chin. For the lips, I ended up using 3 products, with the Vivid Tint Water from Peri Pera being the first. This one is super tinted, so I applied a little bit onto the inner part of my lips and just blended it with my fingers. This will actually help a lot for the gradient effect. I also lined my lips using a lip pencil close to my lip color so it could blend better. Then I applied a lip tint from Body Shop. It doesn't have much pigment, so it was perfect to blend them together. Then I got this eyebrow liner in brown from Flormar, and I kind of started to draw a little line from the outer part of the lips to give this effect. I don't know how it's called, to be honest. And then I went over it with the pink eyeshadow so it would blend better. And lastly, I applied the lip tint lip gloss from Holika and finished the look. And this is how the end makeup looks like. I hope you like it, and I hope this was helpful for you, because instead of explaining how I did it, I kind of had a chat with you guys. Just let me know if you didn't like it in the comments below, and I'll see. So yeah, I guess this is all. I hope you liked this week's video, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any videos, since YouTube algorithm hates me. Anyway, yeah, that's all. Then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!